200. 100. Fresh, fresh.
And then right.
Cross, and then right. And then a little bit left. Somewhere here left. Yeah.
Open the window. Let the gas out. Keep it open all time.
Careful, this left side, very bad road, be careful. Be careful, yes, be careful.
Okay, I'll take down a little bit.
Just a... Okay. Somewhere here we keep to the left.
No, I see the road at the front.
Should be here somewhere. Then again the left, but barely visible. Okay. Just go. And after this mountain, we go to the right.
I saw it.
Okay. Okay. Riverbed, so all the way like that.
Open it, you have to open it.
Okay, then we're gonna have a jump. 100. Be careful. Be careful. Goes down. Okay. I open it, but if we have side wind, then you won't understand me.
Yes, but it goes out.
Okay.
Now you can close, because you have wind from your side. You can close it completely. When wind comes from your side, then close it.
Okay. Be careful there. Be be careful. Okay. To the Italian Baja. Very similar, riverbed. 200 left, then right. And 100, it should be here somewhere. And left. Okay.
It's here.
Okay.
Left and right.
Okay.
South of this ship. We have to go right or what?
Yeah, this way. That way. That way we have to go.
It's there. They are there.
Okay, but still that way we have to go. Then we go to the right.
But he's not. We'll go there straight.
Okay, if we miss the waypoint.
I think waypoint.
Yes.
Do you have it waypoint in the book?
Yes. You have to, yeah, this way you have to go. This way. Yeah, that's good. 320 degrees, that's your... Okay, I really don't know now. Everybody goes everywhere, and I think... Imagine the hammer?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the track. And I hope we have the waypoint too.
I think waypoint is there, this car. On left side. Open your window. I will close mine. Yes, this is the waypoint for sure. Oh shit, big one.
Okay.
This is not in the road book.
What? We don't even know where we are. The road book. Cannot tell you. No, it's not. But now I know where we are.
Okay. Open yours. Okay, open. Shit. Waypoint or what? Yes, I think so.
Yeah, it should be that, yes. We have to go to the left. 4. 300 to the left. 2. Yes, we have it.
Fresh.
Fresh, fresh.
Now I can go.
Be careful here because everything can...
I know.
By the half of the special stage, so we have 100 back.
What?
We have 100 back from the special stage. We should go back to the track, yes. Stay on the track. We're gonna have a very strange sign here, so be careful. We have to go straight ahead, but be careful because there is something in the middle. And it's not that. Be careful. Okay, I think that's what it is. No, maybe here. Be careful.
Oh, I will avoid it. From this side.
Okay. Maybe that was it. Some holes can be here. Yeah.
I can't believe the car can't go faster than this. I pushed to the limit.
Okay, I know, but this is, you know.
No, I can't believe that it's so heavy for the wheel.
Yeah, I know.
This
Okay, be careful. Big bump. Be careful. Be careful. Here. One more, possibly one more. Here. Yeah, okay. Here one.
I see. But with that speed I can go everywhere.
Just don't be so sure. Still the sand is the fastest.
Holy shit. I can't avoid this dust. I'm trying.
Be careful because you know we don't have road book for here. Only for the track.
Yes, I see.
Yeah, I'm just telling you. If there is a creek, then we fall out.